Hey everyone, welcome back to the iMyFone channel. iOS 18 is out now. I've already updated and there are so many amazing features. Are you excited to try them out too? But have you run into the iOS 18 not showing problem or stuck on Apple logo while trying to update? Don't worry, this video introduces two methods to help you fix this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Fix iOS 18 not showing via beta.apple.com. First visit beta.apple.com using Safari. Sign up or sign in with your Apple ID. For iOS devices, scroll down to Start. Click Register your iOS device. And then go to Setting, click About, then tap Software Update. Turn on beta updates on a registration page. Now you can select developer data to get iOS 18. But if the iOS 18 screen still doesn't show up, don't worry, keep watching. Method 2. Using Fixppo to upgrade iOS 18 with one click. Step 1. Download Fixppo from description below. Launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Under the iOS upgrade/downgrade tab, choose the upgrade iOS as you want to get the iOS 18 beta. Step 3. Fixppo will automatically detect your device once the info shows up. Click the download button to get the iOS 18 beta firmware. Step 4. Click the Start Upgrade iOS button and put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Wait for a few minutes for the software to finish installing the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. When the process is finished, your iPhone will be rebooted and you can see that your iPhone now is in the iOS 18 beta version. Now you can fully enjoy exploring the new features of iOS 18. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with your friends. See you next time.